What people don't understand is you're not born to be the best. You build yourself to become the best. You put the hard work in, you bleed, you cry, and you sweat your way to success. There is no one else that's going to succeed in what you want. Your goals are yours, and the only thing standing between you and your success is hard work and your mindset. In the beginning, there's going to be a lot of critique, there's going to be a lot of self-judgment, there's going to be a lot of doubting yourself, but you need to overcome that. You need to just keep pushing, keep realizing that at first it's going to feel impossible, but nothing is impossible. Just go out there and do it. Just do it.